This is DOOGEE T10, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you will need to connect your tablet to Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store, sign into your Google account if you haven't already, then at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, you can tap at the install button in front of it, and now just wait for it to be downloaded and installed respectively. So you know what, let me see if I have any updating apps in the queue. I indeed have, so let me close the remaining ones. And the Opera installation should have been already started. Yep, as you can see, the app is getting downloaded at the moment, so all good. So obviously, once the app is ready, you will need to go ahead and launch it. In here, tap at the continue button once it appears. Then if you want to, you can customize the permissions and privacy preferences that the Opera app will have an access to, or simply allow everything that it needs, or at least everything that it asks for, and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.